Auto Cooling Solutions. Get your cool back.
In this video, we'll show you how to select the proper AC line repair kit. First, determine the size of your AC tubing. One way is to use a micrometer. If you don't have one, you can use open-end wrenches to help you find the size. The wrench size that fits over the tube with little to no play will be the size of your tubing. The shortest repair kit we make is 6 inches, but the kit will measure almost 8 inches. The AC tubing will insert into the kit about 3/4 to an inch, depending on which kit you're using. Keep in mind, you need at least 1 inch of straight tubing. Take into account the area you are replacing. In this example, if the area being replaced is in this straight area, it measures about 6 inches in length. However, a 6-inch repair kit will be too long for that area. You would have to remove more tubing and therefore a longer kit to accommodate how this kit fits the tubing. If in the event you are replacing tubing on a bend, the 6-inch hose kit does not have much flex, about a 45-degree max bend. So be sure you get enough to make a bend without too much tension on the hose and without the hose kinking. The 12-inch kit, our TR6-12C, can bend to a 90-degree without issue. When installing close to a bend, measure about 1 inch away so that you leave enough tubing to fit into the repair kit. Our repair kits come in the following sizes: 3/8, 1/2 inch, 5/8, 3/4 inch, as well as common metric sizes, 8, 12, and 14.5 millimeter. Keep in mind, each step up in diameter gives a little less flex in the hose, especially for the short 6-inch kits. The standard length repair kits that are in stock ready to ship are 6-inch, 12-inch, 24-inch, 36-inch. However, we do make custom lengths in 1-inch increments beyond 6 inches, which can typically be made and shipped in about 1 business day. Please keep in mind any custom line lengths are non-returnable. If you're in need of further technical assistance, you can contact us Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time at 1-877-606-8088.